So Jesse, I hear medical professionals are actually able to buy residential property with a lower deposit. Is that true?
Yeah, so actually as little as 5% without incurring lender's mortgage insurance. And that's for both owner-occupied and investment purposes. In some cases, we can actually lend up to 100% of the property's value.
You mentioned lender's mortgage insurance. Are you able to explain that a little bit for us?
Yeah, traditionally banks, if you have less than a 20% deposit, will look to insure the loan through a third party. What that means is the customer foots the bill and a premium's added to the loan. So because the banks are seeing doctors as low risk, they're actually able to waive that requirement.
Right. So it sounds like a great cost saving, essentially not paying this lender's mortgage insurance. And would you say there are any other benefits of using Avant as a medical professional?
Yeah, cost is definitely a benefit, but aside from that, it's really about getting into that home sooner. I'll give you an example. Let's say you recently become a registrar and started earning a higher income, but your savings just aren't at the level yet to purchase the property that you want. This product's really suited to you. Some other benefits would be for an established specialist looking to upsize the family home into a higher tier of property. You can get into that home sooner. For example, if you had to purchase a $3 million property and you'd have to save $600,000 deposit rather than $150,000 deposit in purchasing costs.
That's clearly a big difference. I think front of mind for everyone right now is obviously interest rate. Would you say that by using Avant, medical professionals have access to better rates?
Yeah, interest rates are definitely front of mind for everyone at the moment, with rates going up and borrowing power coming down. With the strategic partnerships we've created with our lenders on our panel, we're actually able to get more aggressive pricing, which results in lower rate and fee structures for medical professionals. Aside from that, there are favourable lending policies. We can have ways to maximise their borrowing power, and we'll touch on that in a later video.
Oh, perfect. So if someone was in the market looking to buy their first home, how do they get in touch?
Well, if you scan the QR code at the end of the video, there'll be a short form which you can complete, and I'll get in contact with you.
Thank you very much, Jesse.
Thanks, Daniel.